communications tower at 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Yep. You're good.
That was a first strike.
Nice. There's one up there too. Alright, I'm gonna shuffle left. Corner. He's there on it, yep, he's there on it. Want to shift right?
They're in the woods on the right side if you want to try and push that way.
I kind of want to keep going this way.
We can do that. Push
okay.
Left.
Move in.
Bunker, the bathroom bunker to the left of that.
Oh man. Damn. What a shot. Oh man.
What's up?
What's up? Dude, I saw him lobbing at this guy. I just peeked up and it got me right in the camera.
Was it the dude on the
corner? Yes.
I got him out for you, so.
Nice, good shit. That's a first strike.
Yep, there's a guy right here in the brush pile straight out in front of me.
Okay.
I've been duking it out with him for a couple minutes now.
Let's do it. I'm going.
I got you covered.
Yep, 1, 2, 3. Yep, go ahead. Good job. Watch the right side.
Lots of crossfire from the right.
Yep, right side. Right behind you.
No one in there?
What do you see, Red? What do you see? Oh. Right side.
On the hill to the right, on the hill, back side.
Yep. Where'd you get it?
I don't think I actually got hit when I stood up to go out.
I saw you stand. Oh. Yeah, I saw you stand. Here you go. Sucks by Eric's gun. Dude, it's so fucking hot out on that turf.
I know.
I want to go this way.
Yeah.
I'm tired of going that way.
Dude, I felt myself getting shaky.
Yep.
Hey, Red. You want to come this way with us? They're pushing the right side. We're going to try to block their path and cut them off.
What you see? What you see? Okay. Tower's blue.
Tower's blue.
He's right here in the brush. There's no way, buddy! No way! Hey, if you want...
He out?
Nope. Hey, he's got backup. He's got backup coming up. Fuck it. Hey, hey, if there's one or two, walk and shoot. Fuck this guy. Let's do this. Let him out! Let him out! He's out!
Is he hit?
Good job.
Is he hit or running away? Okay. Alright.
Thank you, ref.
Where's their next respawn? Where's their full right? What is that? Their spawn.
They're on the road. Hey. We got at least one or two trying to go around the backside. There's quite a few of them just on the other side of that pond. We got a few people can flank them. The out of bounds, there was at least... No, they're trying to come back around this way. We just had a firefight. I don't know, that spawn, I think. We have a couple of them right here, yeah.
Hey, tape line is right there, right out of bounds.
Yep.
So we're on the right tape line here, right?
Should we flank right?
Well, we had a couple that just tried to do that. They're just on the other side of it. There's a berm. There's a big firefight, but down here on the left there's a trail. Don't know if it's worth trying to flank.
Let's push the tape.
I just thought, yeah, they're also pushing from over here alongside the map. They're coming from this way, so I don't want to go up there and get pushed.
Okay.
We're going to go right and push it back this way.
Yep.
All right, just, yeah, be ready.
They're just on the other side of that hedge.
All right. Yeah, I'd say about 3-4 minutes. Or
Bunker. He's looking around like, where the fuck is that coming from? This shit is hard.
Huh?
This shit is hard.
Staying up on
These
here?
rocks, yeah. A little bit better right here. There we go. Got him.
Come on.
What's up?
Let's do some work. Damn tower already. Fuck bullshit.
Fucking charge that
There's no
fucker.
one in the tower right now. They're just behind it.
Alright, let's push that shit.
Let's get fucking business. Move up, move up! Move up! Go!
Pull that flag. Pull the flag.
Come on, Bill! Get your ass together! We need a raid! We need a raid! Who's on the red team? We need you in there to flip that flag. My renegades can't do it. We got the tower up. Their first and second floor. Flag.
Charge! Go! 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 Charge! Come on!
Come on.
Red's gonna flip it.
Back left corner, Bill! Right here on this end.
Right here?
Right here down below us, down below us. Right here in front of us. Let him out! Let him out!
Nice.
He's out. Okay.
Good shit. Got it covered just below trees.
They're coming up on the fence line here, where the net
fence
is.
line! Right fence line!
Move up from that spot. Move from there.
Left under fire!
Just move him close to the Falcons' ridge. You right there. Move him closer up.
Watch the left, watch the left!
Heard.
Left side! Hey! Hey!
Oh, brush pile straight ahead. 12 o'clock, brush pile. Ready? One.
Cover that, we're gonna cover this
Yep.
side.
Nice.
Clear out, let him out! Clear out, let him out! Progress without it. Let him in, let him out!
Oh, yep, right here.
Push out! Push it down, push fire, left side!
Holy moly.
That bazooka guy! Right side push! Right side push!
Country!
Moving!
He's out, let him
Nice,
out!
nice.
Good shot.
Left clean left. Down towards his, I hear one left.
Man, you guys really didn't let me!
We do like you!
I like you.
I think it's something about the Mohawk!
That's what it's about right there, man. Gotta have a good time. Oh, where would they come from?
Left side.
Snap! Left side! Snap!
How far left?
Hey, let me see splatter from right quick.
I'm good, thank you. I got my microfiber if it's...
I brought mine.
Okay.
You know, without shooting, I don't want y'all to have to,
I appreciate you, man. Thank you. I got you.
You have a scotch? I would. Go down.
I kind of do. We're not doing much anymore up here. This guy over here is hogging all the fun. He's on like a 20 kill streak. I'm moving. Let's go, Red!
Red, let's go! Moving up the line! Let's go! Push up in here, we got pretty heavy right there.
Yeah, but they might be just over there. But we can try. Fuck it. Let's do it.
Is that right, though?
Let's do it. Yep, go.
First strike somewhere on the left.
Oh, wow.
Hey, they're on us!
Right on cue. Damn.
Look.
Yeah! Oh yeah, bro. Just picked off a push. Got a few people out. They bombed it. They all got out. They tried pushing it, but we held them. Right side! There you go. There you go.
I was going to try to spawn back here at the tower, but they were still taking fire, so I couldn't.
Brush pile. Hey, this guy to our right got out. That might be in the bunker right to our right. It might be in the bunker right here to our right. Just heads up. Oh. He's out.
Which one? North pile?
Yep.
He's out too.
Nice.
North pile's out.
Yep. Another one. Ah, hit him before he hit that! Ref, I hit him before he shot that, sir. Thank you, dude. Thank you. No, we got to. We got to. Ready? We'll just.
Probably got like 6 shots.
Yep, make them count. They're straight ahead on that tree line, right behind the tree. Oh, I think he's right here at the bunker. Yep.
Bunker to the right.
Yep, bunker straight ahead. Bunker straight ahead.
Straight over here.
Hey, up top, bunker straight ahead of us.
There's one out.
Still behind tree. Oh, watch your left, watch your left. Out. All right.
Hey, fill up, Red.
Fill in red. Fill in red. Fill in red.
I love the hat.
Very cool.
And the guard, man. That's freaking sweet.
Gotta get a second one for right here.
You taking photos?
4K video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sweet.
You guys looking sharp.
All right, bud.